Hi everybody, it's me, Kayla Loveheart. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, blessed day today. You guys, today is Halloween and I am inspired to do this beautiful Brats doll look, you guys. And I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out. You know, when I was little, I always had so many different Brat dolls. I had so many Brat dolls when I was little. So let's go ahead and do this look, y'all. Let's go. Girls, you always pull your wig down on your baby hairs just like this, and let's go. Okay, you guys, as you can see on the Brat's picture, her lips have this pretty pink shimmer to it. So what I'm gonna go in with is this pretty highlight that I've been having for a while. And I'm just going with my brush here and just go in just like this to give it that shimmer look. Okay, and for lip liner, I'm gonna go in with this right here. You guys, this is really good to use for lip liner as well. So let's do so. guys. I already have the hair on my head and all that good stuff, and we'll go about where this wig came from, and I will explain all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and keep making this eyeliner look, you guys, that I was doing earlier before I started doing my lips. It's right here. This is the eyeliner I like to use. Okay, and it's called CoverGirl. Right there. Let's keep going. I definitely wanted the eyes to look completely like Brats, so I'm gonna go in just a little bit more right here. Okay, just a little bit more right here. Almost got in my eye. Okay. Side part. I love how loose the curls are. This the look I was definitely going for. Okay. Let's try this side, y'all. Look at me. I am so sorry, you guys. I'm trying to see which way do I want this hair to be here. tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed recording it. May you guys be blessed, be happy, be peaceful. Don't let nobody steal your joy in Jesus' mighty name. You guys make sure you give me a big old subscribe button. You guys hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you very much. We very much appreciate it, you guys. And make sure that you always keep your goals going. You guys don't give up on nothing. Keep reaching towards your goals. We're not giving up over here. In Jesus' name. Bye, y'all.